In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot platform effectively, focusing on creating products in their commerce section. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just starting out, this guide will help you make the most of HubSpot's product creation capabilities. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head to the user guide section on HubSpot. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the HubSpot website, specifically the user guide URL. This section is the gateway to all the tools and resources HubSpot has to offer, making it an essential starting point for any task. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Commerce section on the interface. Clicking on this area will lead you to all commerce-related functions within HubSpot. Now, why is this important? Well, the Commerce section is where you'll find everything you need related to managing your products, deals, and overall transactions. It's sort of like the central hub for all things sales-related, so it's crucial to become familiar with it. After you've clicked on Commerce, look for the Products option. Selecting Products will give you access to your product catalog. Here you can view existing products, edit them, and manage product-related details. This is particularly useful if you want to keep track of your inventory or make quick updates to product information. HubSpot's Products feature is designed to help businesses organize their offerings in a streamlined way, keeping everything centralized and easy to access. Now, to start creating a new product, go ahead and click on the Create Product button. This will open up a form where you can input all necessary details about the product you wish to add. You'll be asked to provide information such as the product name, description, pricing, and other relevant attributes. Be thorough here. Comprehensive details will make it easier for you and your team to manage these products later on. As you fill out this form, remember that accurate product descriptions and clearly stated prices can significantly affect customer perception and sales effectiveness. Take your time to ensure everything is exact and up to date. Once you've entered all the required information, save your new product entry and it will be added to your catalog. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated your way through HubSpot to create a new product. This simple but powerful process can enhance how you manage your business offerings and improve efficiency in your sales operations. Don't forget to explore more features in the Commerce section to further enrich your experience with HubSpot. Thanks for joining me today and see you in the next guide.